First of all, and perhaps one of the most important elements, is that the practice, and that means everybody in the practice, from the front office all the way through the nursing staff, the lab, the clinicians themselves, know about the patient and know something also about the family. And that's not just clinical information, but things like, is this a working family? Do both parents have to work? Are there time, is one of the parents in the military and away for substantial periods of time? Are you coping as a single parent occasionally? All of the things that could make it harder for that family, particularly if the child has a chronic condition, to conform to a particular pattern of care. Second is providing the tools to help educate those parents. And that can be many, many different forms. Here at the Academy, I know, AAP, you offer a variety of tools to assist practices. And things like educational brochures and short videos and even probably some of the more elaborate decision aids that are being developed in the pediatric area. But those are very important. Third, and this one's harder, and sometimes it's very, very hard depending on where the practice is located, is practices need to be able to help a family find community supports, not just medical, but perhaps what you need is access to some kind of regular exercise. Where can they find a gym that's a moderate cost? Or does it have to be a gym? Where are there support groups for parents with a child who has a serious condition? For example, my neighbor, who now has a 6-month-old, a beautiful little boy who was born with spinal bifida. That's a very hard condition to cope with all that child's life. And she is very grateful because in her community there's a session every Friday morning for parents of children with spinal bifida. She goes regularly, she brings her little boy and talks with other parents as well as all the clinical staff who are there to help her. That kind of resource, even if you don't have a child with a clinical condition or chronic condition, can be extremely valuable.